Hey guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to download a stock image or copyright free image from Google. So it's me Nidin and you are watching TEQKER. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to enable the bell icon. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open your browser. So I'm using Microsoft Edge. So in the search bar, just search the image that you want to download from the Google. In the search bar, search random words. Like if you want to download the image of dogs, just search dogs. And if you want flower image, just search flowers or anything you want. So here I am searching for the images of dogs. So I'm searching dogs. So you can search whatever you want. Go to images, then we got lot more. Here are images. We can use these images, but as a creator, when we use these images we get copyright claims. How to download copyright free image? So in this window in left hand side we can see the filter. So just click on filter, then some suggestions will appear. Here you can see image size, color, type, layout, people, date, license. So we have to choose the license. So in license we have many options, like all Creative Commons, public domains, free to share and use. So we have to modify the image and share and use commercially. So I choose the last option, free to modify, share and use commercially. So these are the images that are free to use for any kind of purpose. We can download these images. So I choose this one, just click and right click on the image and save image as, and save it on. So you can save this image in your preferred folder and finally save. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions regarding this video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.